tucked away in places. We've got the two Burrell Showman's engines by the Wonderland organ. The Wonderland organ itself, a piece of history in its own right. You go to the fair today and you've got your modern dance music being blared out at you. Well, 100 years ago, that's what you'd got. You'd got one of the organs in the middle of the ride, and that's what played to you as you went round. The two shows over there that we've got, 6-horse Burrell Earl Haig, owned by Mr. Eric Elliott. We've also got the 8-horse Burrell Scenic, owned by Mr. Alan Martington.
It looks like a roller going to roll into me, Father.
A Burrell and a Foster. We've got the Burrell St. Brannock, owned by Richard and Linda Milband. Yeah, St. Brannock's recently undergone a major restoration in Overhaul. Back with us here at Renton this year. And tucked away between the Walter and the Dodgems, doing exactly what she was designed and built and made for. It's Ian Aldrose Victorious. It's a Foster Showman's engine 7-horse. And I understand that he has actually got the wires on for the Dodgems. So there you go, if you've just got your hands dirty having a bit of a steer around the ring, one of these spectacular engines that we've got here, you can go and have a ride on the Dodgems, driven by steam.
Oh, we're safe here.
I took a few pictures as well, Father.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Gemma.
My arm's hurt. Can I stop it now?
Hey?
My arm's hurt. Wait, shall I stop it?
How cool are
My arm's hurt.
Just remember folks, it doesn't matter how big or small the engines are, they all
I'll
work
stop
by
it now
steam.
then.
No, keep going.
They're all built to do a job. They've all done that job and they're now here for your enjoyment.
I can't see it anymore, but I
We'll slave away all over winter, keeping these engines up into working condition, keeping them clean, operable, and working correctly. It takes hours and hours.